In today's video we know about align command, their uses. Let's start. First you have to go to modify panel. There you will get align tools, or you can use the shortcut key AL. The align will be activated. So how you can align the object. In this way you can align the object. For example, I want to align this line to according to this line. So first I have to select this line, then I have to click on this line, the object will be aligned according to this line. After aligning, you will see this lock icon. If you lock it, and then if you move these objects, for example, if you want to move this object, if you move this object, that object is also moved by according to this object. Okay, if you unlock it, if you move this wall, this object will not move. Okay, so press this align button, click here and align it. It will be aligned like this. If you want to align this line according to this, first you have to select this line. First, if you want to align this line according to this line, first you have to select this one and then this one. It will align like this. If you want to align this line according to this, so you have to select the align key, align, and in this way you can align the element. Next we will see how to align multiples alignment. For example, I have to align this according to this. I have to align all this according to this. So click here first, then click here. Now it's not aligned because first we have to do here multiple align. Okay, select align, checkbox multiple align, select this one. It will, everything will align at once. Okay, now you can see here, go in 3D, if suppose you want to align this, suppose this wall is not similar to this wall. If you want to align this wall according to this, press the AL or align button, select this one and this. It will be aligned like this. Okay, suppose you want to suppose you can see the window are not in a same position. If you want to align this window according to this, first you select this window and then click this window. It will align. You can see. Click align, select this one. You can see the window has been aligned. If you want to align this one according to this, if you want to align this one, see the door has been aligned. In this way you can align. Suppose you want to align this window, see all window has been aligned and door has been aligned. In this way you can align in your project, align this. Suppose these door are not in the same alignment, so you have to click align this, as these are in the same alignment. In this way you can align your door, window, wall, everything you can align. Okay, thank you for watching today's video.